Hold on, you guys, it's time for board math. Come here, kitty, hold on. Okay, let's get ready to do some board math together, boys and girls. Let's have some fun. Loud and proud, all together with B-O-A-R-D, B-O-A-R-D. Board math, yippee. Read it with me, boys and girls. What number is it? 47. How do you write a 47? A 4 for the tens, a 7 for the ones, 47. What number comes next? 27, 28, 29. How do we write it? 2 for the 10, a 9 for the ones, 29. 10, 12, 14. How do we write a 14? A 1 for the 10, a 4 for the ones. Counting by twos. This is first grade work, you guys. Let's keep going. How many do you see? Okay, they're in straight lines, so that's the easiest way to count them. Going from left to right, top to bottom, just like we read a book. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How do we write a 16? A 1 for the 10, a 6 for the ones, 16. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? Okay, this is 33. This is 30. Are they equal? No, they're not the same. So which one is greater? Well, they both have 3 tens. But this one also has 3 ones, while this has 0 ones. So 33 is greater. Let's go ahead and eat that up. And how do we read it? 33 is greater than 30. Number sentences. Remember, we're going top to bottom. We're going vertical now. Okay? Here we go. Let's read it. 2 minus 2 equals. Mental math. Fingers or pictures. Start with our 2. Minus means to take away. How many? 2. How many are left? Get it in a nice straight line. 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 3 minus 2 equals mental math. Fingers or pictures. Start with our 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus means to take away. How many? 2. 1, 2. How many are left? Nice straight line. 1 is left. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 5 minus 2 equals mental math, fingers, or pictures. Start with our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus means take away. How many? 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Straight line. 5 minus 2 equals 3. How many in the 10 frames? We've got our 2 10 frames here. One 10 frame is full. That's 10. The other 10 frame is full. That's 10. 2 tens makes 20. There are 20 in the 10 frames. How many more to make 20? If we have 20, we don't need any more. What's no more? That's the number 0. We need 0 more to make 20. What shape is it? Ooh, it's long. But it still only has 3 sides and 3 vertices. It's a triangle. Let's fix that. How do you know? Well, it's flat. It's a flat shape. It's a plane shape. We call that two-dimensional. Okay? It has a length and a width, but it doesn't have a height. Okay, what else is special about it? 1, 2, 3 vertices. What's the other name for a vertex? A corner. but it also has 1, 2, 3 sides. Okay, two-dimensional, 3 vertices, 3 sides. It's a triangle. What shapes do you see? Okay, let's take a look at our picture here in this book. Yesterday we looked at that flag and saw the rectangles, and the pole will be a cylinder. What else can we see? Well, here's a tricky one. Look at their sombrero or hat. Look at that part on top there. That part, if it was a real sombrero and not a picture of one, it would be a cone. Here in the picture, it looks like a triangle. But in real life, a sombrero has a cone in the middle of it. Word problem. Okay, here we go. Let's listen and get all this good information. King has 5 pennies in his pocket. His sister gave him 3 more pennies. Now they are all in his pocket. How many pennies are in King's pocket? Okay, you guys can do your mental math, but let's get this information. King has 5 pennies in his pocket. His sister gave him as king, 3 more pennies. Now they is pennies, not people. They are in his pocket. So they're in his pocket. That's important information for this because it asks how many pennies are in King's pocket. Not in his hand, not in his wallet, in his pocket. Okay? So use your mental math, or let's figure this out. So we got King here. And he had 5 pennies in his pocket. So here's his pocket of his jeans. And how many pennies did he have in there? He had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's got his 5 pennies in there. His sister gave him 3 more pennies. Ooh, King, you got 3 more pennies. Cool. What did you do with them? Now they are all in his pocket. So he's got to put his 3 more in here. 1, 2, 3. How many pennies are in King's pocket? So how many pennies now are there in his pocket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Because 5 that he had to start plus 3 his sister gave him equals 8 pennies in his pocket. What are you saving for, King? Good job today, guys. Did it make sense? It should. Way to keep it together, guys. I really loved hearing you guys all working hard. Keep it up, boys and girls. I know this is different than we've ever been doing it, but we're having fun at home, still working together. See you later.